Hey guys, in the fast lane here. In this video, I'm going to be changing out a rear tail light on a 2003 Mazda B2300 and Ford Rangers. First thing for this job, you're going to need the tail lights are 3157. They're Sylvania. You can get them at Walmart for about under $6. So go ahead and drop your tailgate, and we're going to take out Phillips here, and there's two on the inside that I'll show you in a second. And then you have two more right here on the inside. And that's it. The whole tail light should come right out. I'm going to go over what these light bulbs are. The first one up here, the brown one, that's your reverse light. The second green one, that's your turn signal. And then the third last one, the black one, that's your brake light and your all-time running lights. So when you pull it out, it has two stages on it. Here's the new bulb. As you can see, it's got double filaments in it. Well, the bottom filament right here, you can see it's burnt out. So I'll go ahead and hit the brake real quick, and you can see. So I'm hitting the brake and nothing's happening. So all we're going to do is pull this bulb out, set it aside. You can already see how it got a little hot. I'm going to take the bulb, doesn't matter which way it goes. Put it in there. Now I'm going to hit the brake. And you can see it's working. So now all we do is the same thing we did before, is we put it in there and just twist it. And that's it. Now we just take the assembly, set it back in there like that. Take our long screws, line it up. Get one started, get the second one in there. That's it. Now we can test it out one more time. That's all there is to it.